So guys, I'm discussing about that how to create the Gmail ads. Suppose any Gmail will be open, the option tab will be promotions. So how to create this type of ads in the Gmail particular ads? How to create? In this purpose, we have to create campaign name is called display campaign. So how to create the Gmail campaign ads? Gmail campaign I will be have totally three types. Particular Gmail purpose or we along with the website and the Gmail ads. This is called standard campaign and smart campaign and Gmail ads. First of all, go to your new campaign. Here, the display campaign will be supporting for Gmail will be sales, lead generation, website traffic. Go to website, display is a Gmail ads, lead generation, display, Gmail ads, sales, display, Gmail ads. For brand awareness and brand concern also will be supporting for individual Gmail will be not support. They're supporting along with the display and Gmail ads. If you only promote in Gmail, only particular goals will be sales, lead generation, and website traffic. Now I'm promoting for website traffic purpose. Go to display. The select option will be called Gmail campaign. Here, one more question will be there. So, remaining brand awareness, brand consideration is not supporting for particular Gmail ads. It will be not support. Only particular Gmail ads purpose. They support only for three goals: sales, lead generation, and website traffic. These are the goals. So, without goals, can you create the display ads? This will be create also. So, we're not interested. Go for display. They're showing for three: standard display, smart display campaign, and Gmail ads. Select the Gmail ads. Compulsory, we have to create in Gmail ads purpose. You're selecting website address will be compulsory mandatory field. If you know website, if you go for particular blogger address also will be suitable this option. So I'm selecting for website, copy, select here and continue in this Gmail ads, target cities, location are they're promoting for all countries and particular countries are particular place also. I'm promoting only for Hyderabad location Gmails. Particular language. They're supporting for one language, multiple language. They're supporting for multiple language. Conversion. Here conversion value and clicks. Clicks will be not supporting for here, not showing for apostrophe mark. That mean by you getting for maximum CPC bit already, but your account track conversion you could not get more conversion by choosing focus conversion option. So they're using for conversion option. So when tick mark is there, they use the particular option. This target will be dependent by the CPA, cost per action or acquisition option. Now, select your budget. I'm give the budget will be 1500. So after give the 1500 budget, the impression will be 2.6 millions of impressions. So I'm changing for 1000. Anything change? No change will be here. So after I'm adding for 1500 our budget. Coming to this one. Here in this second option will be ad group. Any campaign you design time, campaign, ad group, and ad creation. These all will be suitable in the particular option, campaign, ad groups, and ad creation. So here, next ad group, people reach by a particular keywords. Any keywords will be used, add by here. So here, which one you can promoting? These are all your particular keywords based on the website. Next, selected your audience. Any particular audience you selected here. Only business service, any particular audience will search ideas and particular browse. So which is you can add by in this. Done. Next is always we can go with the conversion option. Demographics, age wise. What are the age we will target? So you have one question is there. So how we can target age wise? When you're creating Gmail, they are mentioned for your date of birth. Based on they know about your age, particular Gmail address. So we have target up to 54 years. You can target by 54 years up to also. Here, particular people we can target. So previous million now will be 50K people will be getting for impression will be here. That's done. This will be automatically selected by this second option. Conversion will be automation. Aim to get more customers like the one that you targeted at your current cost per customer. Current cost per customer. This we can use always for particular option. Next, add your design. A ad will be created for Gmail ad, upload Gmail ad, existing ad. Click for Gmail ad option here. So Gmail will be shopping for computer and phone also here. So your particular option will be here in this here business name, headline, description and here. So first of all, business name you can give by next you get. So yeah, add by image and video option. Add image, upload, recently used. You can use any option will be there, your particular things. So how we can show the ad will be here, particular this Gmail ads. So ad show will be customer like this, the Gmail ads. So video will be here at the video option, recently used. So any option will be there. You can use the recently used option here. So in this, any video will be there. You can use a particular videos will be here. This is a video ads will be here. Now will be any catalog images. You can scan here, upload by images to particular option. Save here. This is a customer we can show to the here computer. How we can show to customer here. This ads. Is it clear? So this ad we can use particular option will be here, the particular option. Call to action you can add your numbers or final URL you can add by the final URL option. So here so in this option add the group. So one other will be there. Logo will be missing. Just add the logo. Particular option. Add to group. Here ad will be created here. Just ad will be done. Now you can check it out once again. This is your ad. Particular version will be here. Apply to changes. and create the campaign. So this will be ad only sufficient by your particular Gmail ads. So when you're creating Gmail ad time, we not select any goals option. When you're selecting goal, the goal will be selected. Which one? Sale, lead generation, and website traffic. The three will be not selected. So that is called the no goal will be selected here. I'm not give any particular end date in the particular Gmail ad campaign. That mean by the ad will be run anytime in the particular Gmail ads campaign. So campaign budget will be, they will be 1500 budget you can use the particular campaign budget. Continue to campaign. So this is called only particular Gmail ads we can target by the Gmail users purpose. Based on location, based on the age, based on the language, we can support by the your particular ads. So finally, ad will be eligible, will be start when your ad amount will be done. You start by your particular ads. So this is called creating for display ads. The using Gmail ads campaign is only suitable by the Gmail. So like this, any ad will be here. So we can use for Gmail purpose in the display ads campaign.